Beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I am answering a question that a lot of people have for me for a long time. So a lot of people can ask me, hey Rickita, how do I get Factor Trust to work so that I can get credit cards with shopping cart trick? How can I get these offers? I'm not getting pre-approval offers. How do I get the pre-approval offers to work? So if this is a question that you had, I finally have the solution for you. I know exactly what you have to do so that you can go ahead and get your information added to their system. Now, let me start off by saying this. If you do not know what the shopping cart trick is, the shopping cart trick is where you can get credit cards. And when I say you can get credit cards, you can get a credit card with Victoria's Secret. You can get a credit card with Express. So you can go to the Express website. You can get a credit card with them. You can get a credit card with Overstock.com. So with these different places, you can get credit cards from there without them checking your credit score or checking your credit reports. But first, you have to be opted into Factor Trust. And you have to also be opted into the opt-out pre-screen. So you have to opt into both of these companies. Some people are having problems where they're not able to opt into these companies so that they can get approved. But now I have the exact solution. So if you're one of the people that's like, hey, like this person right here, do you have to opt in for the Factor Trust? And then two, how often, like, do you have to keep doing it every time or just once? So I suggest everybody just opt in one time, which opting in is filling out this form. So make sure that you fill out this form at least once. So go to the Factor Trust. I have these links down below. So go to factortrust.com and then click submit. Make sure that you have it opt in and click submit. So you'll fill out this form. They're asking for your first and last name, social security number, your date of birth, your address with your city, state, and zip code, and then your email address. So go ahead and fill out this form here. After you fill out this form, go to the second form I need you to fill out, which is the opt-out pre-screen. So go to the bottom of the optoutprescreen.com, click right here where it says click here to opt in or opt out. And we want to opt in. Opting in means basically, hey, tell the credit card companies I want credit cards. Opting out means, hey, don't share my information with anybody. I don't want a credit card from them. I'll apply for the credit cards I want. So make sure that you're opting in, because if you opt out, you're not going to get any offers at all. They're not even going to consider you. So make sure that you're opting in. Click continue. And again, they're going to want that same information that Factor Trust want. If they want your first and last name, they want your social security number, your date of birth, they want your address with your city, state, and zip code, and then in addition, they're going to want your phone number. So make sure that you list your phone number here. Now, it's not required, but go ahead and list your phone number, because when you try to do the shopping cart trick, that is going to be kind of like one of the requirements. And down below, you have to put in the security code. So whatever your security code is, go ahead and put that in and click confirm. Now, it's going to take 5 to 7 business days for them to have you in their system, so you should be able to get offers with the shopping cart trick. Some people are able to do the trick, and I'm going to show you guys the trick again, but some people are able to do the trick without even opting in, because maybe they went to a certain car dealership, maybe they got a payday loan and they're already in their system. Now, Factor Trust is just a small credit bureau. They even give out credit scores. So think of them kind of like TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. So say if you already opted into the Factor Trust and the opt-out pre-screen and it's not working for you, then I want you to send them a letter. Now, for the people that probably don't know how to send a letter, all you have to do is just type up a letter, letting them know that you want to be in their system, and include a copy of, they're asking you to include a copy of your ID. So a picture ID, and only have to have your correct address on it. A picture of your ID, and then they need something with 2 forms of your social security number. So you can send in a copy of a social security card. They say you can send in a copy of your first page of your taxes, a copy of your W-2. They just need 2 forms of ID so that they can go ahead, 2 forms of your social security number and then a copy of your ID so that they can go ahead and verify that your social security number is correct. And down below too, they also say that you can send in just something with your social security number, your date of birth, and your driver's license number, which is your ID, and a copy of your social security card. You'll have all of that on there. And you'll go ahead and mail that to P.O. Box 390. So go ahead and send that information to this address down below, and you'll see it right when you're opting in. So it's the bottom of the form. Go ahead and send your information there. Now, I have a shopping cart trick guide that have all of the different credit cards that you can get the shopping cart trick with. So say if you're trying to get credit cards. I have all of the credit cards listed in one guide, and I have the step-by-step guide in a video that you can watch. I have that down below, and I also included a copy of the letter. So I typed up a letter that everybody can use. Go ahead, look at that letter, and send it in to Factor Trust. So I have the address, the phone number, I have all the information on this form. All you have to do is fill in your personal information, attach your documents, and then just mail it in to Factor Trust, and wait 5 to 10 business days after you mail it in for them to update you in their system. And you can call them too. They said call them if you have any questions and you want to make sure that you're in their system. Just call them, make sure that they have the information. You used to be able to fax them, but I guess they got too many fax requests and they couldn't keep up with them, that they're asking for everybody to mail this information in. So that's how you would be in Factor Trust system. Just make sure that you mail in your information. And again, just list in the letter that you want to update your address. If maybe they don't have your correct address, put in the letter you want to update your address, or if you want to be added to the system, just put in the letter, hey, I want to be added to the system. But again, you'll get a copy of all of this information if you just get the shopping cart trick guide below and use credit 15 if you want to get 15% off of that guide. So let me show you guys the shopping cart trick. So now I told you guys about the shopping cart trick. Let me show you the shopping cart trick and how you can actually do it. Go ahead and put Lane Bryant in, and let's go ahead and put $200 to $250 worth of items in our cart. Now they're asking us to accept the cookies. I'm going to just click this X right here. I don't want to accept anything. I don't need them to track me or anything like that. We want to just put $200 to $250 worth of items in the cart. So let's go ahead. Let's go to sleep. You guys know I like to just look at the sleep ones a lot anyway. Let's go to sleep and see if we can find some items to throw in the cart. So this one is $35. I'm going to try to see if we can find something that's around $50 so it can be perfect for us. But I think this may be in here. So let's just get 5 of these, because 40 times 5 would be 200, and this is $41.97. So this will put us where we need to be. So let's just get 5 of these. This should be over $200. Yep, so $209. So let's go ahead and view the bag. Now they're saying that you'll get $25 off of your first purchase when you use this, when you open and use your Lane Bryant credit card. So let's just go ahead and ignore that, because we already know you want to be able to get that. What I want you guys to do is I want you to go ahead and click on Secure Checkout. And then they're going to ask for your first and last name, your address, your zip code, city, state, your email address, and then your phone number. Once you put all this information in, you should get the pop-up saying, congratulations, you're pre-approved for a credit card. So let me start putting this information in now. Okay, you guys, so now that we put all of our information in right here, you can see congratulations for the Lane Bryant. We've been pre-approved for this credit card, and we can go ahead and accept it, and you'll still get that $20 off that I showed you earlier. So that is really good. All you have to do is go ahead and click right here where it says accept offer. So let's go ahead and click that. Now that they went ahead and go ahead and click submit and accept the offer, what I want you to do is I want you to create an account. Let's go ahead and X this out. I want you to create an account because they need you to create an account. It's kind of like the Overstock where they want you to create an account. So let's go ahead and click create an account and click continue. So after you go ahead and click create an account and continue, you can see this is where they're going to actually create an account. So go ahead and put your email address in, go ahead and put your password in, and then confirm your password and put your phone number in. Now right here, you guys, they're asking, do you want to be enrolled into their loyalty program? You can keep it there if you like to. That way you'll get like the discounts and stuff like that. Email updates, you don't have to get like email marketing if you don't want to, because they're going to send you a lot. You can just go ahead and uncheck this. Now look, that same information that we put in, you have to put that in again. So you have to put your first name in, your last name, put your street address in, put your birthday in, and put your annual income in, and also put your last 4 digits of your social security number in. Now you guys seen on the Overstock application where they ask for your full social. If they ever ask for your full social, I suggest you guys put 3 zeros, kind of like this, you guys. Put 3 zeros, 2 zeros, and then put the last 4 digits of your social in. But that's what you'll put if you're doing like the Overstock. But I just want to let you guys know about that just in case. But all you have to do is just submit all this information, you guys. Once you submit all this information, they should let you know how much you're actually approved for. So go ahead, go to the bottom, make sure you read all of this information, put that you consent to it, and then click submit. But that's only if you consent to this. But that's how you're going to get that Lane Bryant credit card, which is here, you guys. Now, if you have any questions or anything, definitely let me know. But that's how you have to do, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Now, if you found this video useful, don't forget, you guys, it's so many credit cards that you can do the shopping cart trick with. So go ahead and just check those credit cards out. Now, remember, you guys, make sure you like this video. Make sure you share it to your pages. Make sure you put hashtag Rickita. And make sure you guys are subscribing to my channel. Check out these 2 videos. Maybe there's something there that you may like. And if there's something there that you may like, definitely let me know. But I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.